por baban kasngi awan lam shipi da unang yanam ni
Tangip tang Chief Minister Conrad ke Sangma Bansam ke Jingïarap lengba ka Chief Minister Development Fund Shnong ki Skul ki Riew Shimet Kiba SengKam Lajong bat kiwe na ka benta kasnem arajat absan arpun Riew.
And my only request is that we should use these funds in as the best way as possible. So we do this every month because it's a great way to connect with all the people also. So once again, thanking you all, and of course thanking the entire CM's Secretariat team who works tirelessly every day to make these schemes and sanction these schemes very fast. So with these few words, and once again welcoming you all, we'll start with the distribution of the schemes.
Next is Maulai Presbyterian College for musical. Number 5. Construction of community hall in SengKam village. Next is construction. Next is street lights at Dahlia village.
Finally.
Number 6. Number 6. Next is construction of incinerator in activity center and support center, Morongway, Southwest Castles. This is for construction of new radio recording studio before MP Harshie. This is for the improvement and development of Ramakrishna Mission, Umsoksun.
Jingïarap, LB and UB School. Jingïarap. Bapak sekian bentuknya.
What is it for? Oh, you mentioned it. So the Durban Hall.
Number 1. No. Number 1.
We get the renovation of the Hall Mayrang Mission. Extra toilet Hapo Moshut Presbyterian Church.
One more. Just read it. It's Alex.
Number 3.
Thank you. Come, we can have a picture. Oh, this I don't know. Oh, yours?
Number 1.
The next, the solar street lights for Rangthong. This is for purchasing of furniture for government LP school from KRP. Purchase of school bus for auxilium secondary school Safai, West Hills. Construction of meeting hall at Aradonga, Silky Grey. Construction of school building of St. John Secondary School, Jintru, Riew. This is for again organizing a program for youth gathering in Pune.
Yeah, no, but we'll give more later. Yeah, problem is if you give to everyone. Yes, of course. You cannot, we have to just balance out. Come, okay. One more.
Sir.
Okay. Oh my God.
Construction of CC Motorable Road and Nongra Nonglong Block D.
Fine.
Ban yo iki khobor baman kasngi subha ban subscribe ka channel ulong yelang news. Kublai shibu.